Welcome to the introduction on connecting Stripe to Calendly. Want to get paid for your Calendly bookings? This video will guide you through connecting Stripe, a secure payment processor, to your Calendly account. This integration lets you seamlessly collect payments when people schedule time with you, automating your billing process and reducing no-shows. This is perfect for coaches, consultants, and anyone who wants to monetize their time. Let's look at the tools involved. Here's what the integration looks like in practice. And here's a simple view of how payments are processed. The benefits include automating your billing process, reducing no-shows, and being ideal for professionals who want to monetize their time. Now that you understand the basics, let's move on to what you'll need before you start. Before connecting Stripe to Calendly for collecting payments on bookings, ensure you have these prerequisites ready. First, you'll need a Calendly account, which can be either paid or free. Next, a fully set up and verified Stripe account is essential. You must have admin access to both accounts to manage the integration. Have a clear understanding of the pricing for your events or appointments. Finally, ensure your Stripe account is verified so you can receive payouts without issues. To connect Stripe to Calendly, start by logging into your Calendly account through their website or app. First, log into your Calendly account. You can do this via the Calendly website or mobile app. Next, navigate to the Integrations section in your account settings. Look for Stripe in the list of available integrations and click the Connect button. You'll be automatically redirected to Stripe's secure authorization page to connect your accounts. On the Stripe page, select your Stripe account and grant the necessary permissions for Calendly to process payments on your behalf. Once authorized, you'll be redirected back to Calendly. The connection is now complete. It's a simple one-click setup with no coding required. To configure paid event types in Calendly, start by navigating to your Event Types page. Here, you'll see a list of your existing event types, including different durations and availability settings. Select the specific event type you want to make payable. Once you've selected your event type, scroll to the Pricing section in the Event Settings. Here, enable the Collect Payments option to activate payment collection for this event. Next, enter the price for your event. You have options for fixed amounts, where every booking costs the same price, or variable amounts that can change based on factors like duration or add-ons. Now, choose your payment processor. Select Stripe from the available options, then save your event type settings to apply the changes. With these settings configured, when someone books this event through Calendly, they'll be automatically prompted to complete payment via Stripe before the booking is confirmed. This creates a seamless experience for collecting payments upfront. If payments aren't processing, first verify your Stripe account is active and fully verified. Then ensure the currency settings in Calendly exactly match those in your Stripe account. Another common issue is payments not being enabled for specific event types. Double-check in Calendly that you've activated payment collection for each event type you want to monetize. If you're experiencing double-booked appointments despite the integration, this usually indicates a sync problem. Contact Calendly support immediately to resolve the integration issue. Before launching your paid events, always test the entire setup in a sandbox environment. This helps catch any issues without affecting real bookings or payments. Security is paramount when handling payments through Calendly and Stripe integration. Calendly uses Stripe's API for secure data exchange, including tokens, to avoid storing sensitive payment information. This prevents direct handling of card details. Ensure both platforms comply with regulations like GDPR and CCPA. Both Calendly and Stripe maintain compliance with these data protection standards. Utilize Stripe's fraud prevention tools to minimize chargeback rates. These tools use machine learning to detect and prevent fraudulent transactions. Stay updated with the latest security patches and compliance guidelines from both Calendly and Stripe to maintain the highest security standards. The Stripe Calendly integration continues to evolve with deeper AI capabilities. By 2025, AI analyzes booking data to suggest optimal pricing strategies and automate reminders for unpaid bookings, reducing no-shows and improving revenue streams. Mobile payment options are becoming more prevalent, with Apple Pay and Google Pay fully integrated through Stripe. This caters to the 40% increase in mobile bookings reported in 2024, making payments frictionless on smartphones and tablets. Look out for potential integrations with CRM and marketing tools, creating a seamless customer experience. By 2030, this could allow auto-negotiated prices and real-time availability, syncing with IoT devices, enhancing customer relationship management. Overall, the future is about frictionless commerce, with automated revenue streams and deeper integrations driving efficiency. Expect continued growth in AI, mobile payments, and CRM connections to support businesses in a digital economy.